FSC Part 1 Biology, Chapter number 4, The Cell, and the topic is cytoskeleton. First of all, let's have a look on its discovery. In 1903, Nikolai K. Kolstov proposed that the shape of cell was determined by a network of tubules that he termed the cytoskeleton. The concept of protein mosaic, that dynamically coordinated cytoplasmic biochemistry, was proposed by Rudolf Peters in 1929, while the term cytoskeleton in French was first introduced by French embryologist Paul Winterbot in 1931. But in 1992, it was initially thought that the cytoskeleton was exclusively to eukaryotes. Initially, it was thought that the cytoskeleton was exclusive to eukaryotes. But in 1992, it was discovered to be present in prokaryotes as well. The discovery came after the realization that bacteria possess proteins that are homologous to tubulin and actin, the main components of eukaryotic cytoskeleton. There are basically three main kinds of cytoskeleton filament. First are called as microtubules, second are microfilaments, and third are intermediate filaments. Each type is formed by the polymerization of a distinct type of protein subunits and has its own characteristic shape and intracellular distribution. Microtubules are composed of protein tubulin and are 23 to 25 nanometer in diameter. Microfilaments are the polymers of protein actin and are 7 nanometer in diameter. And intermediate filaments are composed of various proteins depending on the type of cell in which they are found and are 8 to 12 nanometer in diameter. A long unbranched cylinder tubulin protein in line triplet set in the form of stars, they form centrioles. This is the structure of microtubules, which is made up of alpha tubulin and beta tubulin proteins. Here is its cross section, and this is basically a tubulin dimer. Important functions of microtubules. Firstly, they play a key role in the assembly and disassembly or spindle structure during mitosis. Spindle is basically a structure composed of microtubules which segregate chromosomes in the daughter cells during mitosis. Secondly, they play a key role in the intracellular support. They play a role in exoneme of cilia and flagella. Exoneme is basically central stand of cilia and flagella. They also play a key role in synthesis of cell wall in the plants. Basically, more cylindrical than microtubules, and these are made up of contractile actin proteins which are linked to the inner face of plasma membrane. These are the monomer subunits which form the polymerized actin microfilament, and these are basically globular actin proteins. Some important functions of microfilaments are internal cell movement or motion, which is also called as cyclosis, muscle contraction, intracellular transport, maintenance of the cell. Microfilaments are internal cell motion, which is also called as cyclosis, muscle contraction, intracellular transport, maintenance of the eukaryotic cell shape, and cytokinesis, which is the division of cell. Intermediate filaments are a part of cytoskeleton of many eukaryotic cells. These filaments averaging 10 nanometers in diameter and are more stable than microfilaments and heterogeneous constituent of the cytoskeleton. Like actin filaments, they function in the maintenance of cell shape by bearing tension. This is the structure of intermediate filament, which is basically made up of N-terminal head, rod-shaped body, and C-terminal tail. Different intermediate filaments are made up of keratin. Keratin is present in epithelial cells. Some are made up of neurofilaments of neural cell. Some are made up of lamin, giving structural support to the nuclear envelope. Some are made up of desmin, play an important role in the structural and mechanical support of muscle cells.